few, a few, little, a little. It's so confusing and you don't know when you have to use them? Don't worry, I'm here for this. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Panyan and I'm so happy that you chose me for watching this video. Today in this video, I want to talk about the quantifier, a few, little, and a little that I know you've heard it everywhere, but don't know how you can use it. I know it's so confusing. When I was a beginner in English, I didn't know how to use it, but finally I learned it and I want to tell you, I want to teach you how you can use it and fix every problem that you have with this. Few is a quantifier that is used for countable nouns and it wants to show small number of something. And when we add a to few when it comes to a few, the meaning of the phrase or sentences is going to change. So pay attention to this little a. We use few when we want to talk about the quantity of something, especially small quantity. For example, there is few eggs in refrigerator. It means there is not too much egg. It's so a small number of egg, but it is enough. But when we use there is a few eggs in refrigerator, that means there's not too much egg and it's not enough. Okay, now it's the turn of little and a little. It's somehow like it's few and a few, but we use little and a little for uncountable nouns. For example, there is little yogurt in refrigerator. It means it's not too much, but it's enough. But when I use there is a little yogurt in the refrigerator, it means it's not too much and it's not enough for me. Now this video is finished and you learn how you can use few, a few, little, and a little. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and introduce me to your friends. Bye bye!